Good evening, my name is Andy Stevens, and this is my introductory video for EDL 852, Intro to School Administration. I currently teach high school business and marketing in Fort Collins, Colorado at a comprehensive high school called Fossil Ridge. We serve grades 9 through 12 and have a student population of roughly 2,100 students and a staff of just over 160 licensed and classified staff members. I currently am teaching a wide variety of classes. I teach a couple of year-long project-based learning classes that are co-curricular with our DECA program. Additionally, I am a facilitator for a brand new project-based learning program this year in our school called Ridgeworks, where students partner with businesses in the community to use design thinking methodologies to create solutions to various problems that exist in our community. And then I also teach our social media marketing class and one section of economics as well. Outside of the classroom, I'm the lead DECA advisor. We have a DECA chapter of almost 200 students, and I am the head boys and girls golf coach for Fossil Ridge High School. As far as leadership is concerned, I am currently the department chair of the business and marketing department, so I serve in that leadership capacity. Currently, my department has 7 total members, including myself. And so I attend bi-weekly meetings and help with staffing and budget allocation, things of that nature. In the past, I've served on various committees as an instructional leader. I was a grade level planner for our advisory program and have served in other various leadership roles in my school. I've been at Fossil Ridge now for, this is my 11th year, which is really hard to believe. So that's just some of the various leadership roles that I've served in. I think the biggest reason I want to be a school administrator is I've been really lucky to work with some great administrators over the years that really helped to kind of mentor me and guide me as an educator. And I feel like it's time in my career for me to start paying it forward and being that leader and administrator for new teachers. And so that's really the driving force behind my desire to be an administrator and really just have impact on student learning by creating a culture that is safe and inclusive. Other information about me, as you can probably tell, I love golf. As a 2-team coach, I play a lot of golf. I still play competitive golf. I am married, and I do have 2 children as well. Kate is 7 and Lily is 4. And my wife Amanda and I have been married now for 12 years. And we live in northern Colorado. So I'm excited for this journey together. This is my 3rd class through Fort Hays State in the principal licensure program. And so I'm excited for another great time. Have a good evening.